Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews and product recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of LED work lights, and let me tell you, we've got something very special to show you. Introducing the 5-inch super bright 60W LED work light by Riddispot. This off-road driving light is a gamma changer with its 6000K color temperature, providing you with a super bright light that will make your adventures safer and more enjoyable. But that's not all. This work light is IP68 waterproof, meaning it can withstand even the toughest weather conditions. Whether you're hitting the trails in your ATV, UTV, or truck, this light is built to handle it all. With a whopping 6000 LM, you'll never have to worry about inadequate lighting again. And the best part? It's super easy to install and is compatible with a wide range of vehicles. From off-road and SUVs to boats and tractors, this light has got you covered. But wait, there's more. We're also featuring the LED fiber optic flashlight whip. With 40 colors and 360 rotation, this is the ultimate accessory when it comes to dancing parties, light shows, and EDM music festivals. The high-quality materials and intelligent LED lights really set this whip apart from the rest. If that's not enough, we've also got the 3.0 by LED lenses in headlights car headlight projector kit. With a lifespan of over 50,000 hours, 160 W of power, and a cooling system that's 40 more efficient, these headlights are a must-have for any car enthusiast. And finally, we can't forget about the D2's D4's LED car headlights. With 500 W of power and a whopping 300,000 LM, these headlights provide 3 times the brightness of stock halogen lamps. Plus, they're super easy to install and work with 99% of vehicles without error. So, if you're ready to take your vehicle to the next level with these amazing LED products, make sure to check out the links in the description below to get your hands on them. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.